Hello everyone. I was wanting to post a link to this cool video I found on the site, and I thought this might be a great time to show you guys how to post a link in your post in Threads. A lot of people have problems with this for some reason. They think that they can just paste it in there and it's going to work. Well, it doesn't work that way, and the reason it doesn't is to keep spammers and bad actors from posting links because they're generally very lazy and they won't go to the extra trouble to post a true link. So instead of just posting it and it working, the system breaks them or does not make them links automatically. And there's a second step you have to do to make it a link. And I'm going to show you that today. So I found this great video about the XB-19, and it's such a behemoth. I love this airplane. Thought I would share it on the site. So the first thing, let's go over here to the site, and we're going to create a post or a topic. Let's go to Community and Forums. And I'm going to post this in the, I don't know where to post this forum because there's not really a place for videos. And this is the one we're going to use right here. So we click that and we say new topic, and we're going to call this the Douglas XB-19 bomber video. As you can see, I was going through and testing this, and it's already in my browser, but you don't have to put any of these, but we'll put a little exclamation point and we'll say great video of this massive bomber that never, I'll tell you, my typing is getting worse the older I get. Well, let's just say this. Great video of this massive bomber. Okay, now I want to put a link here to it. So I'll come over here to YouTube, and I'll come down to the bottom here where like the like and dislike and all that is, and there's a button there called share. Click share, and it's going to show you like a short URL to say copy, and that copies it to your clipboard. Okay, we'll close that and come back over here, and we click in our box, and if I right click my mouse I can say paste. Alright, now right now that link will not work, and the reason is because we have to turn it into a link. So we just simply take our mouse and drag across and highlight it, and then we come up here to this button that says add link to post, and we click it, and that link is still in our clipboard. So we right click again and say paste, and we say okay, and we click down here, and there we go. We're good to go now. Now we just post that, and now we have a working link. If we click on it, it takes us right to it. Oh great, a commercial. But anyway, you see how it works now. So basically the idea is that you paste the URL or link into the post, you highlight it with your mouse, and then you click the add link button, and that actually puts in the URL where it's going to go. And the reason you do that is because you may want to link text. Instead of putting the URL, I could have just clicked on great video in that top sentence and highlighted it, and then hit the link button, put the URL in, and it would have made the words great video the link. So you have a lot of flexibility there. But as you can see, that's how it works, and I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. You know how to get a hold of me on the site. Have a great day.